Sabinus gave the oranges to I and you. Wrong. You and me passed the test. Wrong. So, what is the correct expression? Now, come closer, come closer. Let's analyze this together. All right? First, the correct way to start this expression is by mentioning the other person first. Either you use the person's name or you use you before yourself. All right? That's number one. Second, I want you to remember that in English, subject means the person or thing that performs an action in a sentence. All right? So when you're performing an action, you are the subject. That is why when you are talking about something you did, an action you performed, you always use I. Example, I slept off. I went there. I did it yesterday. I called him, etc. Therefore, whenever you're performing an action, you use I because I is a first person pronoun. All right, and I is the subject of a sentence. All right, so whenever you are the one performing an action, whether you are doing it alone or with someone else, you remember you are the subject, so you use what? I. All right, objects on the other hand means the receiver of an action. Anybody or thing that an action is being performed on is the object. That is why when you receive an action, you use me. Example, he gave it to me. She visited me. She spoke to me over the phone, etc. Therefore, when you receive an action from someone else, whether you're receiving the action alone or with another person, you use the expression me. All right? Because me is the object of that action, the receiver of the action. All right? Now, back to the above expression. Whenever you are faced with the expression above, I want you to quickly assume that that particular action is being performed by only you. Even when you are performing it with someone else, just remove that person and make the statement as if you are performing it alone. Immediately, the correct expression will rush into your head. All right? Question A. Sabinus gave the oranges to I and you. Now, assume that that orange was given to you alone. How would you say it? You will say, Sabinus gave the oranges to me. So what expression did you use? Me, because you are the one who received the action from Sabinus. Having understood that, what should be the correct expression here? You will say, Sabinus gave the oranges to you and me. All right? The question B. Assume that you are the only one that passed the test. What will the expression be? I passed the test. Is it not true? Good. So since that is the case, and the rule says, mention the other person first. So you will say, you and I passed the test. Remember, this rule applies to even when you mention the person's name. Example, Sabinus gave the oranges to Sandra and me. Uche and I passed the test. I hope you learned. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn these simple expressions. All right? Love you.